This is the elevator at Anita Hall Apartments in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a vintage Hadfield elevator with Payne fixtures, NOT Haughton. You know, it looks kind of like that. And that's not Otis either. What's up to 3? C3. Make sure you go up. B on the indicator, but we're not in the basement. Choose. There 3. Ooh. Go back down to the lobby. Hadfield. Payne fixtures certificate. It's a basic old cab. It smells like an old elevator. I don't know when this is from. Like the 50s or 60s or something. Fan, tray lighting. It's a nice vintage elevator. Ooh, it's hydro, has an epic motor. Here back in the lobby or basement.